Hey, I'm Alex. I'm the tasty producer behind this video for Cheesy Taquitos, or as I like to call them, Chiquitos. Stay tuned to the end of the video for some producer tips. So I know these aren't your typical taquitos, but trust me, they're so delicious. You really can't go wrong with crispy cheese. Seasoning is, and for this recipe, I wanted to keep it all pretty classic, but still pack in a lot of flavor. But feel free to use whatever seasonings you like. You can also adjust the spice level if you want. I decided to show a chicken and a beef version just to show that you can have variety with these. I mean, you could even take out the filling altogether. The crispy cheese was good enough on its own. So for my cheese shell mixture, I used 2 cups Parmesan and 1 cup Mexican blend cheese, and that's because the Parmesan has less moisture and it'll give you the structure you need to create the shell. When you take the cheese shell off of the heat, you're gonna wanna roll them pretty quickly. The melted cheese on the inside is gonna help create that seal. And also, if the cheese hardens, it'll crack when you roll it. I know these don't seem particularly healthy, but they are low carb, so there's that. So for garnish, I added some fresh lime juice, some sour cream, and some chopped cilantro because I felt it really brought the dish together, but feel free to play around with your favorite toppings. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope you go try this recipe yourself. I think I ate like 6 of them myself. They were truly killer. To killer? To die for. To die for. Terrific. They were key.